Welcome to the weekly AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Avishka Thadani, and we've got some exciting stories to dive into today. So let's get started. Amazon introduced Nova, its next-gen foundation model suite designed to process text, images, and videos for a diverse application. Built to simplify tasks for enterprises, Nova includes models like Micro, Lite, Pro, and Premier, each catering to specific needs from cost efficiency to advanced reasoning. Nova Canvas and Nova Reels specializes in state-of-the-art image and video generation. Integrated with Amazon Bedrock, Nova aims to enhance content creation, data analysis, and customization. Rohit Prasad, SVP of Amazon AGI, highlighted its role in addressing latency, cost, and intelligence challenges. Nova reinforces Amazon's position in the competitive AI landscape. The Death Clock app, available on Google Play and Apple Store, uses AI to predict an individual's lifespan based on health markers and personal habits. Drawing from extensive global studies, the app incorporates factors like cholesterol, exercise, relationship, and family health. Developer Brent Franson emphasized the value as a health evaluation tool rather than morbid curiosity. While some users find it a wake-up call for lifestyle changes, others view it as skepticism. Despite its unsettling premise, the app combines advanced AI with research-backed methodologies to encourage healthier living. Google is enhancing its cybersecurity measure by integrating AI technology across its platform. Soon, Chrome will feature AI-powered alert to warn users of dangerous websites or infected files. This initiative comes as cybercrime such as recent wedding card scam posing significant risks to unsuspecting users. Google's AI tool promised real-time prediction of analyzing websites and downloads for potential threat. Now, before we jump back into the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you're enjoying this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top on all tech things. Here's why you should subscribe. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from pioneering AI advancement to hottest startups changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content. Stay ahead of the curve and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. Moving ahead, 2 years post its debut, ChatGPT has significantly impacted academia, with researchers using it for writing, coding, and literature review. A Willis survey found 81% of academics use generative AI tools like ChatGPT, which contributed to over 60,000 scholarly articles in 2023. While the AI tool boosts productivity, concerns about plagiarism and inaccuracy persist. AI researcher James Zhu notes ChatGPT's transformative effect on academic workflows, making AI proficiency increasingly essential for research. Now, this tool influences highlight both its potential and its challenges in scientific advancement. Meta has revealed that generative AI had limited influence on disinformation across its platform during recent elections. According to Nick Clegg, Meta's president of global affairs, the company's robust measures effectively countered coordinated bot network and AI-driven campaigns. Tools like Facebook and Instagram's tripwires improved effective in identifying and mitigating such threats. At AWS reInvent 2024, AWS unveiled a reimagined SageMaker platform, integrating data management, analytics, and AI development into a unified environment. Features like Unified Studio, currently in preview, connect disparate tools like AWS Glue, Redshift, and Bedrock for seamless data integration and AI application development. This transformation enhances SageMaker's capability, originally a machine learning service launched in 2017. Vodafone Idea has introduced an AI-based spam filter to combat unsolicited messages. The system, trained on millions of data points, identifies and flags spam texts, labeling them as suspected spam. Leveraging machine learning, it continuously adapts to emerging spam trends, including fraudulent links and identifying theft attempts. VI is also enhancing tools for reporting spam via its app and redefining measures for voice call spam. That's it for this week's AI Digest. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We would love to hear your thoughts on these developments, so drop a comment below. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on IT Voice.